Welcome back to my channel, everybody. So today I am back with another drink video. So today I'm going to be making a Marley Margarita. This is going to be a 3-layer drink, and I have my Master Mix Margarita, Master Mix Mango, and then Master Mix Strawberry. And I just realized this said light margarita. I didn't even pay attention to it. But they do have just regular margarita in this brand. So here I have my ice. I put about 3 cups in there, and I use this to measure the ice. So I'm going to start with my strawberry. And I'm going to try and measure for you guys today. So I'm gonna do about a cup of the liquids. And then I'm gonna start with the margarita for the other one. And I'm using tequila for this drink. And I have these mini ones. So 1 shot. And I'm gonna do about 1.5 shots per color, because it is gonna be 3-layer drink, and I'm making about 2. And with the green, since it really isn't that dark, you can add food color in it if you want. So I'm gonna add a little just to see if it does anything. Then I'm gonna turn them on and get them mixed up. And I'm gonna be using my ice drink button, of course. So I'm about to start on the 3rd one. And while I'm doing this one, I put my other 2 mixes in the freezer just to keep them cold and so they won't start watering down. So again, I have my 3 cups of ice that I measured with my measuring cup. And then 1 cup of my mango mix. I'm gonna put 2 shots in this one. And then of course turn it on and press my ice drink button. So I'm gonna get this 3rd one in the freezer, and I'm gonna let them sit in the freezer for just about maybe 10 minutes or so, just to get them a little bit more firm. All right guys, so I have my mixes out of the freezer. I had them in there for about 10 to 15 minutes. So what I'm gonna do is start with the green first. And I'm using these little buckets. I got these little buckets from Walmart. Then my mango. Didn't get as thick as the green one. I'm gonna get my red. Then just garnish with maybe a little lime or something. So there you have it, guys. And if you want to make it a little bit more decorative, you can put these in them. I don't know if it'll really stay. This is my first time trying these little buckets, so I'd advise not to fill it all the way up, because where the handles are, it's spilling out. But anyways, there you have it, guys. These are my Marley Margaritas, and they are so good. And I actually had enough to make about 3 of these, so you can add a little bit more alcohol in it if you would like. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, you guys. As always, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.